Okay, I'm gonna try to stay as steady as I can while I'm recording this, but I'm gonna show you how to reroute your trip with this Garmin Navigation System. You know, I work in a pipeline business, so most of the times we out on farmlands or out on ranches where we're laying these pipelines, and sometimes you need to reroute your trip. Say for instance, I'm getting off work. I'm just get ready to go back to the hotel or to campground, and I got it programmed in to say, hey, where you want to go? I click on that, and I got it programmed. It says go home. It's going back to the hotel. So I click on it, and now you're gonna see it start calculating the route. It takes about 5 or 6 seconds, especially if you got good connection.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And as you can see, it's 51 miles. But when I come in, it's only 49 miles because I'm going to I-45. But this taking me to Highway 6, to 288, to I-59. So say, for instance, I want to go back home or back to the hotel or campground the way I came in. Only thing you have to do, I'm going to click on this, or you can hit the minus button or the plus button to zoom in and out. But I'm going to show you a shorter route. Just click on it, and you see right here where it's got that little flag. Click on that, and it's going to give you an overview of your trip. As you can see, it's this road right here is 288. I want to go back this route where I got the little flag at. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to hit the plus. And this thing is real sensitive. I'm going to try this. Take your finger and hold it, and you can just, it didn't work that time. Hold it, and you could drag. Oh, okay. It worked for me that time. And hit the plus, and I'm hitting the plus so I can see the road. Plus. Hit a plus again. You see now it's showing that road 528. So say for instance, I'm gonna hit the plus again. I want to drop a pin here. Once I drop the pin, I hit reroute. It'll take me the new route. But I want to drop the pin right where I got the green. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna move it down. So I'm gonna drop my pin right on top of this. You ain't gonna see the flag cause it's hidden. And then you hit go, and you say add to active route. And once you do that, you hit save. Now it's gonna recalculate it. And you're gonna see down here at the bottom, it's gonna show 49 miles or 48 miles.
Please drive to highlighted route.
And there you go. Now it rerouted me. So I'm gonna just click, and I'm gonna hit this button over here to give an overview. And there you go. And that flag is where the hotel is at. So now it's gonna reroute me. So I'm gonna see if I can move this and zoom in. I'm gonna hit this plus. You see how now it's taking me the new route. See, that's I-45 and this road right here. If I zoom in enough, you're gonna notice it's 528. So that's the route I come in the morning, and I wanna use that same route to go back to the hotel. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. I hope I was steady enough. All right, thank you.